In Taiwan, it's a race against the clock to rescue people trapped by yesterday's deadly earthquake. The 7.4 magnitude quake killed at least 10 people as more than 1,000 have been injured. Fox Greg Pelcott has the latest from London.
Deep in Taiwan's Taroko National Park, rescuers searched Thursday for dozens of people missing. Further north, Taiwan's National Fire Agency estimates hundreds more are still stranded, stuck in a hotel in the mountainous tourist hotspot of Taroko Gorge.
The night was a terrible view with aftershocks and tremors and rocks falling every few minutes.
The 7.4 magnitude quake, Taiwan's strongest earthquake in a quarter century, struck Hualien Wednesday morning, a busy tourist city on Taiwan's east coast and home to nearly 300,000 people.
In my mind, I'm only concerned about our guests.
At this local hostel, several guests are still missing. Officials estimating at least 100 buildings were damaged in the quake, causing landslides and strong aftershocks. In Taiwan's capital, national leaders briefed on the damage pledged support. As the number of casualties is expected to rise and more aftershocks are expected in the next several days.
We are on all-out alert. We will work through this.
Taiwan's government has since thanked the international community for its sympathy and concern, but blasted China, calling its efforts to speak on Taiwan's behalf as, quote, shameless. In London, Greg Palcott, Fox News.